Alright, so here's another episode of Adventures with the Wild Man. So this is what I'm having. I'm finally getting to where I've had enough of it. Having issues with the pigtail, it needs to get replaced. Now this style pigtail is different from a lot of the old school ones. It wants you to change just this piece right here. Well, that piece is not my problem. What my problem is the housing on this is too thin. So it's moving around inside this, so I'm not getting good connection and I keep losing. As you can see, I've done rigged it all different ways. I've gotten where I can't take it no more and I'm not getting good connection. So I'm gonna have to old school this. Tools that you will need for this project. Tractor plug. 7-pole tractor plug, easy to replace. You can pick it up at any truck stops, not very much. I think it's like 12 bucks. Pair of gloves, wire snips for what I gotta do. I'm gonna need them. Well, the wire strippers, wire cutters, and then of course, different head, little screwdriver. So let's dig on into this repair, get it taken care of so I can get down the road. We'll be good to go. Tired of not having lights or the lights going out every time I need them to be working. Got to cut off all this old electrical tape. See, underneath the head on these, see, originally you can undo this screw right here. The housing pieces slide down and you can be able to replace just that. But like I said, that's not my problem. See, and that'll slide out like that. See, now this is how I was saying the other piece. You start having issues where they get wallered out inside here. You pull it off, just change the piece, which would be great. But like I said, this looks like it got melted somehow. I don't know how, but it's all out of whack. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna cut this piece off, because this does not look like it comes off anyway. We're gonna see how we can get to it. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it through. Oh, by the way, I started cutting into it and stopped. Make sure you unplug the other end. You don't want this cable to be hot while you're messing with it. You'll start popping some fuses. There we go. Strip off all the old pieces. Alright. Now, what I'm going to do, cut this back to expose my wires. Always cut away from yourself. I like to push the knife, bend the rubber, keep from getting into your power line, to your cords themselves. You don't want to nick them. Alright, so as you can see, I have exposed all my wires. I got my red, yellow, blue, green, brown, white, and black. Pretty much all your standard wires on any trailer. Go ahead and strip them down. First, I'm going to go ahead and open my package to see exactly how it goes. Now, on the back of this package, it's going to show you the colors of what goes where on your plug. So they're real easy to do. They're not hard. It's going to come off the same way. Oh, I need a flathead. Got to change to a flathead. Got two screws on this one on each side. The flathead screws. We'll remove them, and this will undo the housing There we go. See, and that's how these look. They're very simple, easy to do. They got the little screws tucked in them. I don't know if my camera will focus in on it good. Probably not, but okay, yeah, so I only need to strip about maybe about 1/4 of an inch off my wire. Okay, and seeing my cap also tells me what goes where. Blue, white, black, yellow, red, green, and brown. All right, so my white wire, that's my big thick one right here. This is the biggest one out of the bunch. Move the rest out of the way. I'll twist it down real good, get it nice and tight. I'll back just that screw off the back. You need to slide your piece on first. Got a screw inside here. Got to undo. Allow the slide. Let's see, there you go. There's that slide. There it is.
There we go.
Alright, so there we go. Got it hooked in. Let's go ahead and slide it up. I'm gonna run me some electrical tape around this part of the base. All right, so there we go, ladies and gentlemen. I replaced the pigtail. Now, I'm gonna go ahead, pick up all my mess, my shavings. Let's go ahead and get this babe popped on in here. Oh yeah, that feels so much better. So let's test it out, see how it went. And this is a good time to show y'all my new truck's got this cool little switch. Don't know if you know about it. It says lamp check right there. Press that switch. Well, of course, the key's got to be in the on position. Press that switch. When it lights up solid, you're good to go. If it's blinking at you, that means if you press it like that and it just blinks at you, that means your lights are on. You need to turn them off. Turn your lights off. Press that button. Stays on solid. What it's gonna do is it's gonna go down and it's gonna go through all my lights. This one should flash at me here. There it goes. Running lights. And give me a blinker. There's the blinker. All right. Yay. All right. Now even my back lights back here up on the corner just lit up good. It's gonna run through. Yep, there goes the running lights. Right blinker, left blinker, and I want to say it does brakes too. Yep, there goes the brakes. So my problem has been solved, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. We got it fixed. All right, so I know that was a long video. Look, the actual repair maybe took between 20 to 30 minutes, somewhere right in that window. I don't know what was going on with that pigtail. Like I kind of said a little bit, it was melted, and even in the inside. I don't know if the design when that pigtail was made, it was overheating, and it heated up that plastic housing, and it had it warped. So that's why I couldn't get good contact. So there was no way for me just to simply replace that end of it. I had to replace that whole pigtail end. Now I could have unplugged it, replaced the whole cord, but we're looking, I mean, I don't know exact dollars here, but I'm guessing between $30 to $40 at a truck stop for that whole pigtail line, both ends and all that. It costed I want to say it's like around $15 for the actual pigtail replacement. I just had to cut it and go from there. Saved my company money, as well as I saved myself money. I get paid by wheels turning, not sitting still. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Make sure you hit that like button. Hey, spread my videos around. Feel free to share them on YouTube. Share them with your buddies, friends, or relatives that are truck driver. Or if you're getting ready to come into the trucking industry, it's a good thing to know on how to do it while you're out on the road. So everybody, like Wildman always says, be safe out on the road. Keep it in between the ditches, and happy trails to you. Y'all be safe. See you on down the road.